Text is sometimes overlooked when it comes to design work, but often it's the written word that catches the eye of an audience most effectively. Today we're sharing a list of Envato Element's top 10 best text effects for Photoshop so you can create professional text-based digital art quickly and easily from the office or at home. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Game Logo Text Styles by Design Hattie. The first cab off the rank in this countdown is a super creative, super fun text style pack that's been designed specifically to support game designers. 12 different styles make this perfect for logos, titles, illustrations, website banners, and more. Number 9. Smoke Logo Text Effect by Giallo. This smoke-in visual effect for Adobe Photoshop is easy to edit, suitable to a range of different uses, and looks incredible when applied to any design that needs to catch the eye. Number 8. 3D Text Effects Volume 1 by Zeppelin Graphics. The number 8 template pack on our list of Envato Elements' top 10 best text effects for Photoshop is an absolute goldmine for fonts. It includes 10 PSD files, each with a stunning text design. Number 7. Cloud Text Photoshop Action by Sco4. Have you ever wanted to write a message in the sky? It's as easy as a few clicks with this text effect for Photoshop. Whether romance is on the cards or your design is strictly business, this template is perfect for creatives of any level of experience. Number 6. Realistic Casino Logo Style 3D Text Effects by Weird Deets. If you're looking for a highly realistic casino style logo, this template pack is a surefire winner. It's full of bright, elegant, and luxurious designs suited to any digital casino game format or physical casino venue. Go ahead, make our day. Ring that subscription bell, like, and share to let us know that you've enjoyed this video so far. Now, let's get back to the rest of our Envato Elements top 10 best text effects for Photoshop countdown. Number 5. Glitch Text or Logo Effects by Sco4. Glitch text is such a popular design choice for fashion, fitness, and lifestyle brands that want to stand out with a slightly gritty edge. This template set comes packed full of 9 unique glitchy text elements that will help hype your brand without fail. Number 4. Underwater Text Logo Effect by Giallo. This design is an amazing piece of work. Utilize the beautiful underwater illustrations and bold text to promote your next film, TV series, or other high-impact cinematography project. Number 3. Liquid Tasty Text Effects by Sco4. Whether you're promoting a food, beverage, or even a product like Sensory Slime, this pack of some of Photoshop's best text effects is perfect for the job. You can practically taste, smell, and feel all the squishy goodness. Number 2. 3D Text Effects Volume 4 by Zeppelin Graphics. From clear glass to rough chrome, and everything in between, the varying styles of the text effects in this pack are highly diverse. They make for a versatile addition to any designer's toolkit. Number 1. Holochrome Text Effects by Sco4. Holographic style is back in fashion, baby. This retro effect is perfect for highlighting the products of a glam fashion brand or cool new gadget store. If you're worried about your brand getting lost in a crowded market, this is just the trendy text effect you need to stand out. Do you think we chose the right entries to include in this Envato Elements top 10 best text effects for Photoshop countdown? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful and want to keep up to date with Envato content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Before you go, be sure to check out the next video in the queue. It's been chosen just for you. You can find all the best text effects for Photoshop in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now, get out there and spread the word about your brand or project with the help of some high-quality text effects.